would just like to say to a good friend, though we have just started this friendship, a beautiful friendship, Dr. ayaw ko na gabi. Of course, the adopted son of the provincial government of Masbate, Dr. Dan. Kaya nga, sabi ko, kung umalis dito, at huwag kang mag-girlfriend, hindi mo sinabi sa akin. Dr. Dan, again, good evening po, sir. Sa ato po tanan, especially our guests, sa ato mga maestra, pamawang, atong amiga tayo from the 3rd District. Sa ato tanan, mayo pong gabi! Kaway ay placer, hindi ko yan, sorry. Sorry, sabi na lang ako na. Sabi na lang, anak mo, sabi na lang, makawa. Otherwise, kung magsige kong tawag na akong tanan, mapuntagan niya ka. Ako rin may gagunin sa microphone. So I would rather say to all of us, I'm happy that Dr. Don and especially Dr. Toy accepted our invitation to come over to Placer, even if layo kayo ang Placer. I know po that there were some apprehensions at first when we broached the idea to Dr. Don. Of course I know. First, ma'am, ang distansya, ma'am. Layo kayo ang Placer from Masbate City. Two, what about security? Of course, that's a concern because we have this notion that Masbate is the killing field. Sorry to say that, but I'm happy to let everybody know crime rate in Masbate went down by 47%. 47%, as I have said in my SOPA, according to the report of the PNP and the medical legal officer. So this has been validated. Check, validated. Crime volume for Masbate really went down already. Thank you po sa atong tanan, nga atong gipagkanao ang atong crime rate. Kita po tanan ang dapat magpasalamat sa atong kaugalingon because each one of us is responsible nganong ang atong crime rate went down most probably kay kita nagatugod sa bato ng administrasyon. So sa atong tanan, congratulations for helping the crime volume come down. Nagingon kanina si Dr. Toy that we are dreamers. True, I too am a dreamer, but a courageous dreamer. In Masbate, to become a dreamer, you have to be courageous. Because in Masbate, as we said, if you want to be up there, you have to be made of sterner stuff. Of course, being the only lady governor in the entire region, Region 5, mas damo mga mga babae karon, I think there is what you call empowerment, women empowerment. Kung kaya, most probably because of being a woman, I always feel Mama Goto. I also feel I do not have to be a mother only to my children, but a mother to the province as well. So we all know how a mother acts. When I run the province, I run it as if it's one of my children. So when you do it, dapat tingali. Kasing-kasing ang imong gigamit. Dili lang ang atong utok, dili lamang ang atong mata, but our heart as well. That's why I was so happy when Dr. Dan accepted the invitation for the entire regional Mangkong to come to Placer. Because I wanted to showcase Placer to all of you. I have been telling Dr. Toy, my children are are my picture. And what's happening to mga sir? Ako po, naku kayo na ako nagarbo. Na inyong itabangan ang akong anak. The current placer, what placer is now. Because right now, when you say masbate, when you say placer, you say it's masbate. Placer now is synonymous to masbate. Salamat sa inyong tanan, placereños, sa inyong pagbuli na ang placer, inyong ihinong synonym sa masbate. Dr. Mahusay, welcome home. Welcome home to placer. Good luck also. Tingali din ako dapat tason yung murad. O tason, uy, kumusta ka na? Doon kaya ito nagkita. Personal. Pero karoon nagkita na sa dita. Welcome to placer. Ano yung mga nagkakapay? Ang nagkakapurpos! Istorya ba ganyan sa tututuloy ko dito siya sa purpos? Pero tingnan yan, ang panahon na baby, pagkalako, kaway pa ka. Kumusta na ako sa ako? Ako ang bingay sa ulo. Anyway, siya nila yan. Oo, kasunod ka na po sa sinuod. Kasunod ka na po sa sinuod, Suportado ba kami ganyan? Sir, kumusta ka ba saan? Suportado ba kami mo sila yan, Ron? Paula. Wala na po kami lang dito. Mababatian ni Tututu. Dili ka na po. I don't want to make it too long. Nakalaayan mo. Pero I will announce something. By the way, during the SOPA also, I announced that we will have this housing project for our government employees, capital employees. But there's a big twist there. Dili na mo i-monopolize para lang sa capital employees. I would like to extend this project not only to the capital employees, but to the teachers as well. Why am I doing this? Because ang mga